The DirecTV H25 receiver is amazingly small. It's the smallest receiver DirecTV's ever made. There's a lot of interest in mounting the H25 on the wall or on the back of the TV, and that's why DirecTV has come up with this mount. Durable plastic, easy to use, and not very expensive. There's only one problem. You can't mount it to the back of the TV. That may not be a problem for you at home, but for bars, restaurants, hotels, that's huge. So we wiped the slate clean. We designed a mount for the H25 that can be used pretty much anywhere. Take a look at the solid signal commercial H25 wall mount. Mount it to the back of a TV, mount it to a wall, mount it to another wall mount. Tons of mounting options. And you know what? Plastic was good enough for the home, but we wanted this thing to be commercial. That's why we gave it solid metal construction. This thing is built like a tank, and if you've got a bar or a restaurant, if you're hanging a TV from a pole, that's exactly what you want. Let's take a look at the H25 commercial wall mount. You're going to find all the rails, all the screws and nuts you're going to need for a variety of installations, an instruction guide, and of course the mount itself. The long and the short mounting arms give you the flexibility to mount to almost any television, or straight to the wall, or even to another wall mount. Ample vent holes on the side of the H25 means there's no chance it's going to overheat, and the hole at the top is perfectly sized to fit the DirecTV logo at the top. You also get all the screws and nuts that you'll need for a proper installation. Start by press fitting the H25 into the mount. It's a tight fit. The H25 fits very snugly. You'll see that even though friction is the only thing holding it in, it's nice and tight. Let's take a look at the back of a typical television. It's got two sets of Visa mounting holes. And we're going to use this rail to mount to one of them. The screws went in easily, and then we just used a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten them. Don't use a power tool because, often though the screw threads are metal, they're only glued to the plastic back of the TV. The mount fits onto the threaded pegs, then use the supplied nuts to tighten it on. A crescent wrench or socket wrench is going to help you with this. Tighten both sides, but again, be careful not to over-tighten. As you can see, the mounted H25 fits perfectly on the back of this TV. It's almost like it's not even there. Bottom line, if you're using H25s on the back of a TV instead of a matrix switcher and an equipment rack, this is perfect for you. Visit solidsignal.com for more information.